Sweden has a history of mining and metal refining stretching back more than 1,000 years. With today's annual production of 24.7 million tons, Sweden is by far the largest producer and exporter of iron ore in the European Union. We're also among the leading ones when it comes to the base metals copper, zinc, and lead, and the precious metals gold and silver. Northern Sweden is the center of Barents mining. Some of the most important ore deposits and interesting geological regions are found in the Skellefteå district, extending from Boliden in the east to the Norwegian border in the west. Skellefteå's geographical position and infrastructure also bring easy access to the mining industry in Finland, northern Norway, and the Murmansk-Kola Peninsula region with some of the world's largest mineral assets. Related business opportunities may also be found in the oil and gas segment in Norway and the Barents Sea, estimated to hold 25% of the world's known fossil energy reserves. Ever since the 1920s, the mining and smelting company Boliden has been the major force behind the development of the mining industry in the mineral-rich Skellefteå field. With a number of mines, the concentrator and gold leaching plant in the community of Boliden, and the smelter in Rönnskär, it's the region's main employer. Today, Boliden is the second largest copper supplier and the third largest zinc supplier in Europe. The impressive open-pit mine Aitik, for example, mines some 18 million tons of copper, gold, and silver ore annually, and an $813 million investment will now double production. Rönnskär is one of the most efficient copper smelters in the world. The main products are copper, lead, and zinc clinker. Rönnskär is also a specialist in the recovery of base and precious metals from the concentrates of copper and lead, as well as from a variety of recycling materials, such as electronic scrap. As the Skellefteå region is rich in complex ore, a number of unique processes have been developed that ensure practically complete metal recovery of the raw materials. The Swedish mining industry is currently growing rapidly. In the past 5 years, one new mine has opened annually, and a significant number of new exploration permits have been granted. Yet, it's estimated that only 20% of the mineral assets in northern Sweden have been exploited. Potential for new finds is still good, and there's a continuous establishment of new operators. The Mineral Resources Information Office of the Geological Survey of Sweden assists mineral explorers with exploration-related information and data. Their archives contain all material from the former state-financed exploration, as well as private prospecting, and cover all aspects of modern exploration, including exploration reports, low-altitude airborne geophysics, ground geophysics, and geochemistry. The world's largest collection of drill core, more than 3.5 million meters from all over Sweden, is also available, free of charge. Thanks to the dominating role that mining has played in our trade and industry for centuries, mining infrastructure is well developed, and mining and metallurgy research and development is highly advanced. Advanced technology with a high level of automation makes Swedish mines among the most efficient and profitable in the world. Access to mine-related resources and know-how is particularly good in Skellefteå. Within a radius of 140 kilometers, 90% of Sweden's vocational training and educational units concerning mining, metallurgy, and geology are located. There are also a number of specialized companies linked to the mining industry, such as machinery manufacturers, mining software developers, and drilling services companies. As the mining industry expands further, the opportunities for exploration, manufacturing, subcontracting, and consulting, as well as geological and environmental expertise, are constantly growing.